Cryptohopper review. My honest experience with this iCrypto trading bot platform. Automating crypto trading sounds like a dream, but does Cryptohopper actually deliver? I spent weeks testing it, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking crypto bots guarantee profits. The surprising truth is Cryptohopper is a tool, not a crystal ball. It helps automate trades and apply strategies, but success still depends on market conditions and strategy setup. Getting started is straightforward. You create an account, connect it to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, and choose a template bot or create a custom strategy. I found the user interface intuitive, with clear dashboards showing portfolio performance, open trades, and signals. One of the strongest features is strategy automation. Cryptohopper allows you to backtest strategies using historical data, helping you refine settings before committing real funds. I experimented with a trend-following bot, which executes buy and sell orders based on technical indicators like RSI and moving averages. Other perks include marketplace templates, signals from professional traders, and trading without needing to monitor markets constantly. Security is solid, with API key restrictions preventing withdrawals, and two-factor authentication adds another layer of protection. Pricing is tiered, from a free plan with limited features to advanced plans offering multiple bots, signals, and backtesting. For serious traders, the premium plan is worth it for automation and time savings. The main drawback is the learning curve. Beginners may struggle to configure bots optimally, and the platform can't prevent losses during volatile markets. I recommend starting with small amounts and thoroughly testing strategies first. In conclusion, Cryptohopper is a powerful iCrypto trading platform for those who want to automate trading and experiment with strategies. If you understand the risks, enjoy data-driven trading, and want to save time, this platform can be a valuable addition to your crypto toolkit.